When would it be convenient for you? いつがご都合よろしいでしょうか? When would it be convenient for you? What did you talk about? あなたは何について話しましたか? What did you talk about? Are you working? 仕事をしていますか? Are you working? Keep this money for me. このお金を預かってください. Keep this money for me. Excuse me, but may I open the window? 失礼ですが、窓を開けてもよろしいですか? Excuse me, but may I open the window? I belong to the swimming club. 私は水泳部に入っています. I belong to the swimming club. Have you finished reading the novel? あなたはその小説を読み終えましたか? Have you finished reading the novel? You can study here. あなたはここで勉強できます. You can study here. She has flowers in her hand. 彼女は手に花を持っています. She has flowers in her hand. Is this ball yours or hers? このボールはあなたのですか? それとも彼女のですか? Is this ball yours or hers? Where's the restroom? お手洗いはどこですか? Where's the restroom? She stayed at the hotel for several days. 彼女は数日間そのホテルに滞在しました. She stayed at the hotel for several days. Elephants live in Asia and Africa. 象はアジアとアフリカに住んでいます. Elephants live in Asia and Africa. I stayed up late last night. 私は昨日夜遅くまで起きていました. I stayed up late last night. They greeted me with a smile. 彼らは私を笑顔で迎えてくれました. They greeted me with a smile. I am counting on you. あなたを頼りにしていますよ. I am counting on you. What a beautiful flower. なんて綺麗な花でしょう. What a beautiful flower. He got up earlier than usual. 彼はいつもより早く起きました. He got up earlier than usual. Don't be so angry. そんなに怒らないで. Don't be so angry. He couldn't understand the sentence. 彼にはその文の意味が理解できませんでした. He couldn't understand the sentence. He returned from Holland in June. 彼は6月にオランダから帰国しました. He returned from Holland in June. My telephone is out of order. 私の電話は故障しています. My telephone is out of order. He is her friend. 彼は彼女の友達です. He is her friend. He walked home. 彼は家まで歩きました. He walked home. A strong wind was blowing. 強い風が吹いてきました. A strong wind was blowing. Could you sign here? ここにサインしてください. Could you sign here? That's what we want to know. それが私たちの知りたいことです. That's what we want to know. I usually walk to school. 私は普段学校に歩いて行きます. I usually walk to school. I know she is sleeping. 彼女が眠っていることを知っています. I know she is sleeping. Has the movie started yet? 映画はもう始まりましたか? Has the movie started yet? I want to drive. 私は車を運転したいです. I want to drive. They have lived in this town for 10 years. 彼らはこの町に10年間住んでいます。They have lived in this town for 10 years. I need to get some sleep. 眠らなくちゃ。I need to get some sleep. We are the first to arrive. 我々が一番乗り出した。We are the first to arrive. He often goes to Tokyo. 彼はしばしば東京に行きます。He often goes to Tokyo. I think we had better wait another 30 minutes. もう30分待った方がいいと思います。I think we had better wait another 30 minutes. I bought a few eggs and a little milk. 私は卵とミルクを少し買いました。I bought a few eggs and a little milk. I'd like to see the doctor soon. すぐに診察をお願いしたいのですが。I'd like to see the doctor soon. I will be here from Monday to Thursday. 月曜から木曜までここにおります。I will be here from Monday to Thursday. Who is that woman? あの女の人は誰ですか？ Who is that woman? It was a great shock to me. それは僕には大変なショックでした。It was a great shock to me. She doesn't understand me either. 彼女も私の言っていることを理解していません。She doesn't understand me either. Many people were deceived by the advertisement. たくさんの人々がその広告に騙された。Many people were deceived by the advertisement. Follow his example. 彼を手本にしなさい。Follow his example. I'd like to have a coffee. コーヒーをください。I'd like to have a coffee. He's always short of money. 彼はいつもお金が乏しいです。He's always short of money. This is their house. これは彼らの家です。This is their house. I'll be absent tomorrow. 明日は休みます。I'll be absent tomorrow.